Good morning, children. How are you all? Have you done your previous worksheet? Yes, you have done it? Very good. Now let's start today's worksheet. But before jumping to new topic, first recall the previous one. I have already told you that in English there are 26 letters. In English there are 26 letters. 5 are vowel and rest are consonants. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels and the rest are consonants. Also I have told you about the use of a and an. A and an is used before singular object. A is used before consonant and an is used before vowel. Aeroplane, egg, orange, ice cream, umbrella, these all words are starting with a vowel. A, E, O, I, U, these all are vowel. So I have used an before this word. And here bag, cat, dog, fan, gun, hen, these all words have started with a consonant. So a is used. A is used. A bag, a cat, a dog, like this. Now the next topic, the new topic is use of vowels to form words. And the vowel that today we are going to learn about is A. Today we will learn how we can form different new words with using this vowel A. A is the name of this letter. A is the name of this letter. And what is the sound of this letter A? Do you know what is the sound of this letter A? You have already learnt in Montessori too. All the sounds, the phonic drill. Do you remember those? What is the sound of A? Who can tell me? A. The sound of A is A. Ant. A. And. A. And. The sound of A is A. A. Ant. Okay? Now, we can form different words, but before that, we have to know about the short sound and long sound. A is the short sound, A is the short sound, and A is the long sound. Today we will learn about the short sound, and in the next week I will teach you about long sound. So what is the short sound of A? A, and, A, and. In short sound, the formation is like C, V, C. In this way, the word is formed. C, V, C. What is C? C is the consonant. C is the consonant. This C is also the consonant. And V is the vowel. C, V, C. In this setting, the vowel, whatever the vowel we are writing, it will bear the short sound. It will bear the short sound. Let's take one example. C, A, T. Now tell me, C is a vowel or a consonant? C is a consonant. T is also a consonant. T is also a consonant. And A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So this is C, V, C, sitting. And here the sound of A is short sound. The sound of A is short sound like A. The sound of A is short sound A. Now let's blend these letters. Not letter, but the sound of this letter. Now we will be blend. What is the sound of C? Try to recall. K, k, k. The sound of the C is k. The sound of A. Which sound? Short sound. A. 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 And the sound of T is T. 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 So, k, a, t. K, a, t. Cat. K, a, t. Cat. Cat. Okay. Now do you understand how can we read these words using the sound of this letter? Some other words are also there. I have written. Let's read them. What is the sound of B? P, p, p. What is the sound of A? A. The short sound of A is A. And what is the sound of G? G, G, G. B, A, G. B, A, G. B, A, G. Bag. This way. B, A, T. Bat. B, A, T. Bat. What is the sound of S? S. Sound of S is S. S, at. Sad. S, at. Sad. Sound of M? M, A, P. M, A, P. Map. M, A, P. Map. T, A, P. Tap. T, A, P. Tap. K, A, N. Can. K, A, N. Can. What is the sound of V? V, 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 A, N. Van. V, A, N. Van. What is the sound of T? T, A, K. Tag. Like way. What is the sound of B? B, A, D. B, A, D. Bad. So, in all these words, A is having short sound like A. A is having short sound. Okay, children? Now you can read yourself. All the words you can now read by yourself. How to write them and how to read them. Now some new words I have found for you. First column, add, add, add. B, at, bad. M, at, mad. L, at, lad. S, at, sad. P, what is the sound of P? P, P, at, P, at, pat. T, at, dad. Like the previous column, this is A, P. A, P. The sound of A is A, P, app. K, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. T, A, P, tap. N, A, P, nap. G, A, P, gap. What is the sound of R? R, 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 A, P, rap. M, A, P, map. K, A, T, cat. P, A, T, bat. M, A, T, mat. R, A, T, rat. What is the sound of H? H, 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 A, T, hat. H, A, T, hat. What is the sound of F? F. What is the sound of F? F, 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 A, T, fat. P, N, pan. F, N, fan. M, N, man. v a n van, t a n tan, k a n can. In this way you can read these words. Now this is the first number of your worksheet 4. And these words, I will send you the picture of this page. You will learn all these words. You have to learn these words, okay? Now start with the worksheet 1. Write 2 words ending with at. At, add. B, add, bad. S, add, sad. Ap, app. T, app, tap. K, app, cap. Then a t, act. K, at, cat. M, at, mat. A, n, an. V, a, n, van. F, a, n, fan. Okay children, you can also learn all these words. Then rhyming word, at, mad. At, mad. What can be the rhyming word for mad? At, lad. At, lad. Some other words are also there. Can you tell me what can be the other rhyming words for mad? Bad, dad, sad. All these are also can be rhyming word for mad. Like that, the second one, cap. What can be the rhyming word for gap? Cap, gap. App, nap. App, nap. What can be the other rhyming word for gap? Map, cap, tap. All this. Third one, p at bat, r at rat. Bat, rat. What can be the other word for bat? Rhyming word for bat? Bat, rat, mat, hat, cat, and many more. Then the fourth one, t a n, tan. T a n, tan. And what is the rhyming word for tan? K a n, can. K a n, can. And what can be the other rhyming word for tan? Man, van, fan, and many more. Now question number 3. Name the picture. Some picture is being drawn. You have to name them. First one, see this emoji? Have you seen this in your phone? How it is looking? It is looking sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Then second picture. Who can tell me which is the what is the second picture? The picture is, whose picture is this? This is a picture of a tap. This is the picture of a tap. Now, are you playing with this? What is this? Yes, b at bat. B at bat. Then this is a mat. At mat. At mat. Then this is a bag. B a g. B a g, bag. B a g, bag. This is fan. F a n, fan. F a n, fan. In this way you can read new words and learn them. Okay, so your homework is to learn all this.